Why will my ex wants to stay friend? Okay, ladies, this is very tough because you love this man. You want to be with him. And the only response is, I want to be friend with you. I don't want to I don't want to lose you forever. I want to keep you in my life. And usually you would come to me and tell me, Alex, he is a DA, a dismissive avoidant. So what do you think I should do? It's tough. It's tough because you love this guy, as I mentioned. You develop real feelings, and it's tough when we have regrets. When someone will come to you and tell you, you know what, I want to be friends, I don't want to be lover anymore. It's so annoying because you develop feelings. You know that there is a lot of potential in your situation and relationship. So that's why you're here watching this video. It's not just I love him. You're not just here because you want to do this. I love him. I want him. You want to possess this man. It's mostly Alex. I really want to understand this guy. I really want to be in his mind. Why would he stay friend with me? If he doesn't want to be with me, but he loves me, there is all of those, situation and all of those questions in your mind. I want you to hit the like button, join the community. That's step number one. Step number two, if you listen to my videos, I will always tell you, when a man wants to stay friend, he wants to keep you on the side. So basically, there is a lot of men. They will break up with you, wants to be friend, so they can have sex with you. So if they want to come back, it's easy. And also, they don't want to lose the control on you. Like we men, I would say some men, because I don't want to be part of them. Some men, they just love the idea that you are their thing, they possess you. And this is very bad, very toxic. But if you watch my videos, I talk about it. I'm telling you, look, when a guy wants to stay friend, he doesn't want to stay friend. He wants to get you closer to him, but he also wants to see if the grass is greener somewhere else. It's not a good idea. I don't want you to stay with someone toxic. I don't want you to stay with someone that is manipulating you in a way that is thinking about his own happiness and not thinking about you. So I will never ask you to stay in a toxic situation. But the question coming from Instagram, and you can write to me, it is Alex Cormont coaching my Instagram. You can write to me and I will read your question. Alex is a dismissive avoidant. And that's true. When we look at their past, it's men that has been really challenging in their life. They didn't have good parents. They maybe just had bad experience, lost their job. They were in burnout. Not a lot of social activity, not a lot of people that, will support them. And sometimes breakups. So I was coaching this amazing woman from Texas. She's a nurse and she's telling me, look, Alex, his ex-wife cheated on him, then asked to get full custody of the kid, asked for a lot of money. So this guy cannot trust women. And I told her, yeah, it's right. He can trust women. But didn't he trust you before? And she was like, yeah, you're right. Was he involved in the relationship? Yes, he was. So what really happened? Why now he wants to be friend when at the beginning he was able to make some efforts? So I'm not judging him. I'm just trying to help her. Less focus on her own emotions and the savior mentality that we can have as a woman, that you can have, ladies, because you would be his nurse, you would be his mother. That's not what we want. The truth is, some men that are dismissive, avoidant, that are avoidant, or just some men in general, they are scared. They want to leave you because they are scared of their feelings. They are scared of being codependent. They are scared of being hurt again. And so this is coming when the relationships start to be established. In the attraction phase, no problem, no issue, no fear. In the relationship phase, I don't know what I want. I don't want to suffer. I don't know if I can trust you. I don't know if we are moving in the right direction, etc., etc. So if you watch this video, please listen carefully. Step number one, forget about the relationship. This is why I told my client, forget about being in a relationship with him. the word relationship, couple, or anything related to love, you forget about it. Step number 2, we want to make him laugh. We want to put the biggest smile on his face. And in order for us to do it, we need to consider that he's like your girlfriend. I will always tell you in coaching, and that makes you funny, that makes you smile. I will tell you, I want him to be like he's your buddy. He's your buddy. He's not like your lover, the one, the perfect guy. No, he's your buddy. He's your girlfriend. Just be with him. Be silly. Everyone will ask me, are you sure, Alex? Yes, be silly. Because if he wants to be friends with you, he knows your value. I'm not talking about the bad guy that was toxic and wanted to use you. No, talking about the real guy that has some fears, some, challenging experience in the past, and that is scared to be in a relationship. So this guy, we need to be in this situation. We need to focus on having a great energy, on making sure that he's your buddy, your girlfriend. You're just chilling and having a lot of energy. Okay, ladies, when you do this, you regain some attention. And step number 3, attraction, attraction, attraction. I know you think that seduction, attraction, it's leading to intimacy or being basically very sexual with a man. It's not. The idea of attraction is let's flirt, let's enjoy the moment, let's create new memories. Let's make sure that every activity, every date will be different from the other. Because that's when a guy won't think too much. So not a lot of fears, not a lot of thoughts, not a lot of negativity. It's actually the opposite. It will be very powerful and very amazing. So if a guy wants to stay friend, ask yourself, is he trying to keep me on the side? Is he trying to have sex with me and still enjoy his single life? If this is the case, no contact. If this is the case, you need to reach out to me and we change the dynamic immediately. Situation number 2, it's tough for him to be in a relationship. Doesn't understand his feelings. He's scared. The reality is that he would be scared when the relationship is at stakes. But when it's time to just meet each other, learn about each other, be exclusive, but still date, there is no fears. So why don't we come back to this stage where we can enjoy the moment, we can be very confident, and we can get great results. And in order for you to do it, it's very simple. You have to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. Then I would advise you, of course, to click in the description to go grab your free gift. I do a lot of gifts to show you the value of my philosophy. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not an influencer. I'm a real coach. When you come to me, you will learn human psychology, neuroscience, and the best tools to create an amazing and fulfilling relationship with a guy. So this is in the description box below. And of course, if you want to work with me, the link for the private coaching would be below as well. So let me tell you that we can go get the results together. Let me tell you that I want to be on your side, but you need to open your eyes. You're so focused on the feelings, the relationship, the marriage, that we put pressure subconsciously. And I want to change that together. So I will see you for a new video. Take care of yourself.